In the midst of rapid developments overseas, today President Biden formally announced his pick to replace Justice Stephen Breyer on the U.S. Supreme Court, choosing Federal Appeals Court Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson. The president praising her experience, her character, and, quote, her legal brilliance. And let's not forget, making history. Of the 115 people who have ever served on the court, only 2 have been black, and both of those were men. Here's our Devin Dwyer with more.
In a White House built with the hands of black slaves, today a momentous announcement making Supreme Court history.
Today, I'm pleased to nominate Judge Jackson, who will bring extraordinary qualifications, deep experience and intellect, and a rigorous judicial record to the court.
Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson of the U.S. Court of Appeals for D.C. becoming the first black woman ever nominated to the nation's highest court, a former clerk of retiring Justice Stephen Breyer and a graduate of Harvard.
I can only hope that my life and career, my love of this country and the Constitution, and my commitment to upholding the rule of law and the sacred principles upon which this great nation was founded will inspire future generations of Americans.
At just 51 years old, Judge Jackson has more experience on the federal bench than 4 of the current justices had combined at the time of their nominations. Her former clerks describe a warm and pragmatic judge and consensus builder.
She believes that the judiciary should be accessible and transparent, and I think that she really feels that people who come to the court or who interact with the judicial system, that they feel heard.
Jackson's elite legal pedigree comes with experience representing everyday Americans as a federal public defender right out of law school.
She strives to ensure that everyone understands why she made a decision, what the law is, and what it means to them. She strives to be fair, to get it right, to do justice.
In 2010, she was appointed to the U.S. Sentencing Commission, where she joined unanimous bipartisan votes to reduce sentences for some nonviolent drug offenders.
Having lawyers who've done civil liberties work, who've done public defense is really critical. If you look at Ketanji's whole life experience and all the things she's done, you know, that's just not a story of elite.
Born in D.C., Jackson was raised in Miami, where she attended public schools, the daughter of school teachers and sister of an Army veteran. With her husband, Patrick, a surgeon, she has 2 daughters in D.C.
To my daughters, Talia and Layla, you are the light of my life. Please know that whatever title I may hold or whatever job I may have, I will still be your mom. That will never change.
President Biden making his pick in the midst of the crisis in Ukraine, calling Jackson on Thursday night with the offer exactly 2 years after he promised voters he'd make history.
I'm looking forward to making sure there's a black woman on the Supreme Court.
The choice of Jackson breaking with Biden's South Carolina ally Congressman Jim Clyburn, who lobbied heavily for Judge J. Michelle Childs, who serves on South Carolina's U.S. District Court. But Clyburn tonight praising Jackson as an outstanding judge who has his full support.
I've invited senators of both political parties to offer their ideas and points of view.
Senate Democrats have the votes to confirm Jackson, but the president says he hopes to win support from some Republicans. Senator Lindsey Graham, one of 3 Republicans who voted just last year to confirm Jackson to the appeals court, today suggested her nomination means the radical left has won. Senator Susan Collins of Maine, who also voted for Jackson, calling the judge experienced and impressive, but vowing a thorough vetting.
We believe a Supreme Court nominee ought to be respectfully treated, thoroughly vetted, and then voted upon.
Republican leader Mitch McConnell tonight promises a rigorous and exhaustive review of Jackson's record as the Republican National Committee attacks her as radical and left-wing. Jackson has said her experience in 3 previous Senate confirmations has her prepared.
Extremely nerve-wracking nomination and confirmation process. I actually taught myself to knit as a way to channel my nervous energy during that time. If anybody wants a scarf, I'm your source.
Our thanks to Devin.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.